Okay guys, today I'll be taking you through a tube replacement for a boat. As you can see here, this boat's been around and has a lot of wear marks on the tube and it's seen better days. First thing they do is rip it clean off the aluminium hull. It's a hell of an unusual sight to see. Can't say I'd ever seen this before. On the ground you can see the white old tube made of cheaper PVC, and in the background you can see the grey tube, which is actually made of Hypalon, a far superior material. They put the replacement on, make sure it all lines up. They then glue it and then strap it down while the glue dries. After it's all dried, they tape it all up, they prime it, ready for the rub strips and cleat handles on the side, and the anchor rope guide at the front. Voila, just like that, it's all finished, and have a look at this, a brand new boat. If your boat needs retubing or if you're looking for a better price, look up Ducky Doctor. They're based in Newcastle. They do an amazing job. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and would like to see more content. Thanks for watching.